This is one of my tips when you're dealing with spam. Spam has a lot of sodium, and you see that slimy stuff. So what I do, I cut them into slices the way I want to fry them. I got a little container with water, and I like to get as much salt as possible. That slimy stuff that's salty, I mean, it's going to still have sodium, but you don't want that extra sodium frying together with the thing. Sometimes I wipe the stuff out and then I kind of wash them, and that way some of the sodium that comes from that slimy stuff that's sticking to it, I don't want to fry it. I don't want to fry the sticky stuff that's full of sodium. So you minimize the sodium by doing that. Ain't that a nice trick? And it's very simple. Hot pan. I'm gonna cast iron, medium heat. I was cooking something earlier. You can use the same grease, doesn't matter. You're going to cook them till you look. Some people like them dark and burnt. Others like them just a little bit brown. After about a minute of moving, flipping and stuff, have your paper towel ready and a plate. And you start transferring there. See, my stuff is not burned, dark, black. It's just cooked. See how beautiful they look? Beautiful, isn't it? Here they are. Let that grease come down and dry up.